Hey, everybody, I can't believe it. News, breaking news. Kelly Clarkson. Kelly Clarkson, you know her. She's the singer. Oh, Kelly Clarkson. I just read an article and it read as follows. Kelly Clarkson sees a hypnotist. And someone reported Kelly's at the point where she's trying anything, and a friend recommended hypnosis, shows she just signed up for 6 sessions, and inner close to the songwriter person shared. Wow, that's right. Kelly Clarkson is now going to get hypnosis sessions to help her overcome the problem she's having with her ex during her divorce. I'm Cal Banyan, 25 years of practice in the profession as a hypnotist, board certified hypnotist, and trainer of thousands of hypnosis professionals around the world. But it's not about me, it's about Kelly Clarkson. She just went public, or at least her good friend close to her went public, telling that she's going to see a hypnotist. Now, this can be a very, very good thing. Let me see here. I think it's a big deal, and I hope she gets a very, very good hypnotist. And I suspect that she's found herself a 5-path certified hypnotist, because in the article it says that she signed up for 6 sessions. Now, that's very typical of a 5-path hypnotist. We don't believe in being a 1-session wonder, where you see someone for one hypnosis session and then wonder if it worked. No, this person here is aware of using a process like 5-path hypnosis. 5-path is a systematic approach that works for just about everything, and it will work for Kelly Clarkson if it is done right. Let's see, what else have I got here? Now, I've worked with millionaires and celebrities, and in the past, you know what? They're just like human beings like you and me. They can have problems from the past, stress about what's going on now, worries about the future. They can have bad habits, emotional problems, just like everybody else. So I suspect that this is probably a 5-path hypnotist. Oh, I hope so, because I want Kelly Clarkson to get the very best results possible, and so that she can recommend it to her friends. All right. In any case, the main thing that has to be accomplished is for her to overcome a thing I call emotional resonance. Emotional resonance is when something comes up now, okay, that makes you feel a certain way that you felt in the past. For example, if something happens now that makes you think, oh, I'm rejected or I'm not good enough, then every time you thought that and had the resulting feeling in the past resonates into the future, and you feel not just bad, you feel too bad, and you overreact. You become too mad, too sad, too frustrated, too depressed to be able to handle it. So this hypnotist, whoever you are, and I know you can't say you work with her because of confidentiality, but I'm sending out prayers and blessings to you, no matter what kind of hypnotist you are, that you do really good work with Kelly Clarkson. And if you're not familiar with this emotional resonance thing, look it up, Cal Banyan, emotional resonance, and you'll find out how that works. You've got to deal with it because it is an emotional connection to the past. Also, please, please, please do forgiveness work with her. Forgiveness work is going to help her free herself from the strong emotional attachment, mainly fear, anger, and guilt, with this emphasis on anger and guilt that keeps her connected to all the bad feelings of that relationship and the past. And like I said, emotional resonance. So we want to wish Kelly Clarkson and her hypnotist the very, very best. I truly hope that she's seeing a 5-path certified hypnotist that knows 7th path. All of our 5-path certified hypnotists are also, well, not all of them, just about all of them, are 7-path certified or licensed teachers. And it's really important. I hope that Kelly gets taught how to do 7-path self-hypnosis, because it will help her hypnotist do a more thorough job. And then guess what? Remember, these celebrities and millionaires and stuff, they're just people too, but they have extra pressure because they're responsible for many other people. They're under a constant magnifying glass, like Kelly Clarkson and other rich and famous people are. And when you learn 7-path self-hypnosis, it is a way to have good mental, emotional hygiene, that you can refresh yourself every day. And so please, please, Kelly, get 7-path self-hypnosis. If you're with your hypnotist, say, hey, do you do that 7-path self-hypnosis? I hear it's like the very first antivirus software for the human mind, body, spirit approach. So Kelly, if someone passes this to you, please ask your hypnotist to teach you that. All right, that's enough about that. I'm Cal Banyan. Go to calbanyan.com to get all of my videos. I've got over 600 videos there. And also go to calbanyan.com because I've got my training certification course. You want to become a certified professional hypnotist, certified in 5-path and 7-path, that's where you want to go. And then I'll see you in class. I do my class as a hybrid. Some people are online and some people in a physical class right in front of me. All right, with that, Cal Banyan signing off.